So market is tough when it comes to traditional segments. So government buying is down, large government buying is down, large corporate spend is flat or down depending on which segments you are looking at. So those who are focused only on the traditional verticals and those large deals, yes, that part of the business they would face some difficulty. And with overall economy being down in the market, consumer sentiment also suffers, and hence you see consumer part of the market also getting impacted adversely. So you do see a little bit of less spend in consumer part of the market, and you do see less spend in the large projects, large government requirements. However, there are some segments of the market where there is still buying happening. Banking, and banking not at just the large bank level, but at a bank branch level, as more branches are getting rolled out. Cooperative banks, there are 900 cooperative banks in the country. Again, healthcare, there are 50,000 nursing homes in the country. Education, tens of thousands of colleges and universities, and lakhs of schools. So that's another area where the spend is happening. Then while the large government spend is not happening, local government body spend is happening, because everybody is readying themselves, I think, for elections. Plus there are central funds available sometimes for some schemes, whether it's e-district, whether it's e-panchayat, whether it is computer labs in schools, whether it's giving tablets or laptops to some students. So local level procurement for government is happening, cooperative banking procurement is happening, healthcare procurement is happening, education procurement is happening, smaller niche manufacturing segments continue to spend. So what's happening is the consumer side there is a lull, the large project side there is a lull, but these are new segments in the what are traditionally, let's say, SMB like segments. Local government body is also like SMB, educational institute is also like SMB. It is that those areas is where I see still action happening, and that's where we are increasing a lot of our focus also on tapping into the channel ecosystem. Good news now is that spend is happening, and there is a good mature channel partner ecosystem which has now evolved. Let's say 5 or 6 years back, one wouldn't have had a channel ecosystem to reach out into each of these segments. But today there is a good evolved channel partner ecosystem, and it's now just a matter of how do you enable that ecosystem with a wider basket of products. For example, a learning management system for school, or a hospital information system for a small nursing home, or e-municipality, e-district, e-panchayat application for local government bodies. Some cloud-based services and solutions that a channel partner can take to a small manufacturing organization. So giving all these applications, giving them full basket of computing products, giving them full basket of office automation solutions, and enabling them to do these projects as your preferred route to market is what we are now working on. So we are engaging with our channel ecosystem. We already have a very large distribution business. It's almost a 6,500 crore business, where we had done a lot of work on the consumer side. We have a very large consumer products distribution. On the commercial side, we were doing traditionally a lot of work only direct, because a lot of projects were large projects like UIDI, 2,500 crore program. No channel partner would do it. So our commercial B2B business was, I would say, 70% direct, 70-75, and channel business was a smaller portion. Consumer was always all channel. But now looking at what's happening in the market and where there are opportunities coming, we see that there is a scope for much larger play for commercial channel partners. And we are getting our experience of dealing with channel partners out of our distribution business, where we have a history of working with channel partners for 10 years, 12 years, and working truly as partners, and bringing our entire portfolio of cloud offerings, office automation products, and computing products, and making all of them available to our channel partners to go after these new segments where right now the growth is happening. So to again answer your original question, is market bleeding? The large projects not happening, consumer lull, But there is business that's happening, and we are taking all these now solutions to that segment through channel partners. So quite often I hear that PC is not growing. Everybody keeps saying PC market is not growing. There was a IDC report which said that PC market has shrunk last quarter, and so on and so forth. But if you expand the definition of computing to also include tablets, because it's a computing device of a different form factor, and then you look at desktop, laptop, thin clients, tablets as a continuum, and look at how many units got sold and what is the value that got sold. Actually, the market has gone up, it's not gone down. At least we have seen our business go up. When I look at that continuum, our business hasn't gone down, because what has gone down in, let's say, laptops in the market has more than got made up by the growth in the tablets. And even to our channel partner community now, we are bringing all these products and making them available to them. So let's say an insurance company, they want to have an insurance agent activation through tablets, or a hotel chain want a hospitality solution on tablet. Cinema houses want order taking solution in the interval. Somebody goes and takes order. Logistics and courier companies want their agents to carry tablets. All these requirements are happening today, by the way, and they are getting bought as a let's say a OEM. We are serving the large requirements. We are selling to the banks who are buying few thousand of them, or organizations who are buying again few thousand for their Salesforce automation. But there are smaller requirements that are there all around, and channel partners can do a big tapping into this opportunity, where somebody needs 40, somebody needs 50, and we are making these solutions available to them. Now we are saying businesses into segments where channel partners is the best way to go to market, and we are working to make it all available to channel partners. Mobility, cloud, all computing products of HCL as well as third party through our distribution company. We do have a distribution relationship today on Dell, on Huawei, ZTE, EMC, Oracle, Molex, APC. So a complete computing or office automation requirement can be fulfilled through these basket of products, HCL as well as the third party products. And we are making all of them available to now the channel partner. So there the way to look at it is it's a choice of the partner. Partner will choose what he or she thinks fulfills their requirement the best. We are going to give all of it to them, that here are all the PCs, here are all the servers, here are all the storage solutions. Now you make the choice, and we will not have a preference one way or the other. Our distribution business, is partner agnostic. For my distribution business, whether it's a HCL product that gets sold or some other product that they distribute gets sold, they are equally fair and focused on all of them. So in the OEM side, the mobility is growing faster, and it's growing very, very fast. And distribution business is growing because we are adding many more categories every month to it. So distribution business is growing more by way of basket growing. And within the OEM side, what's growing is the mobility business. On our OEM product line, we have full range. We have desktop, laptop, servers, thin clients, micro ATMs for banking correspondence, etc. Tablets of all form factors, 7-inch, 10-inch, with SIM, without SIM, so we have the full basket on the OEM side. And we also have a complementary basket of third-party products on servers, storage, security software, UPS, cabling systems on the distribution side. We don't make them, they are distributed products. Okay, so I do see my commercial channel business, my consumer channel I have always been doing. whether it's in IT side or whether it's on telecom side. We've had a very large Nokia distribution business, for example. That continues as is. There is no change there. On the commercial channel side, I do expect significant jump in our commercial channel business, because we are doing 2-3 things. A, we are bringing this bigger basket now to the channel partners. Instead of saying that you are only my office automation partner, or you are HCL PC partner, or you are my distribution business partner, we are saying all of this portfolio is made available to you. That's step 1 we are doing. Step 2, we are also offering solutions for some of these new segments. Right? We talked of healthcare, education, cooperative banks. So we are also making solutions for new segments and enabling them. That's number 2. And third, what we are doing is we are working with channel partners to now give them confidence that all things being equal, if they have a reach into an account, even if my salesperson, direct salesperson was calling on that account, if channel partner feels that he or she can do business in that account, our preference would be to do business through the channel partner rather than doing direct. This is a big shift, because otherwise there used to be a conflict sometimes that a direct guy is also calling on channel partner and a channel on the end customer, and a channel partner is also calling, and then there will be a little bit of a bad blood, lack of trust, etc. Now, to eliminate all of that, we are saying if channel partner has the reach and a capability and customer acceptance, they are our first choice to do the business. It's a very big directional shift, and our salesperson's role then morphs into those accounts into becoming an enabler and a demand generator. So our salesperson, that person will do demand generation, will do business development, and will do partner enablement. And whether business comes direct or comes through channel partner, our salesperson will still get as if full booking credit is his or hers. That we are eliminating the conflict. Our channel partner community should not feel that, hey, if I work and develop a business, tomorrow some direct sales guy will come and take away the business. We are seeing the reverse. Not only in that case will not take away, but if there is a business developed by a direct sales guy where you think you can also fulfill that and have access to that customer, we will actually work through you. And organizationally, we've made structural changes that are direct. So these businesses, office automation product and computing product businesses, which can be taken through commercial channel partner, we've actually made them a part of our distribution business. So the mindset itself then changes. The mindset is to work with channel partner as opposed to do direct. Security products we were not doing, they were projects that we were doing, we didn't have mine, but we have a big portfolio of office automation product, smart boards, projectors, copiers, also a lot of third-party relationships like Toshiba, Lexmark. So all of them, we are saying instead of going direct, if a channel partner has access to that account, we'll work through channel partner. There could be cases where channel partner has no access, or requirements are complex and big, and customer says that no, I want to deal only with HCL. There, of course, we will not walk away from business. But in those cases also, if channel partner is able to fulfill them, our first choice will be channel partner, and only if they are not able to fulfill, then we will do that. No, you come to know very quickly that what is their capability. It's a, let's say, 500 crore project. You know whether channel partner has a ability to do a 500 crore project. Sometimes the size of the project itself tells you that this channel partner has capability or not. Second, customer requirements. Sometimes customer says, I will deal only with OEM. Like these large LCOT kind of requirements. Customer said that, no, I'll work only with OEM. So sometimes it's a customer mandate, or sometimes the financial exposures are so big that channel partners say that, no, we are not able to do. But outside of that, you can very easily say that yes, it's a 4 crore, 5 crore kind of a project channel partner is able to do. Let's work with them. So some of the solutions that I mentioned, solution for cooperative banks, solution for learning management system for educational institutes, e-municipality kind of applications, then CRM, HRM kind of systems for ancillaries. These are all available on our cloud. It's a solution called HCL Blue, and we are making it all available to channel partners. it's a question of partners' capability set. If a partner has a capability to do some of the services on products and technologies themselves, for example, in office automation, managed print services. Some partners are able to offer managed print service engagements end-to-end to a organization. So if they have that capability, we'll allow them to do it and support them in doing that. Wherever they feel that no, they don't have capability, opportunity is there, but they need to get some service support from HCL, then we'll make that service support available to them as also something that we will sell to them. So they can use our installation support, they can use our aftermarket service support, they may use our system integration capability on different technology, should they not have that capability. If they have that capability, there is no one, in a country India's size, there is no one vertical. All verticals fire, and different verticals fire in different parts of the country. So all the SMB verticals that I spoke to you about, we are focusing on all of them. So SMB as a space and commercial channels as a route to market, we are staying focused on. As of now, we do directly, large enterprises and state or central government. There also, if a channel partner has a reach, in some of these organizations, some channel partners do have a reach. There we would be open and we would welcome channel partners participate.